10:12. Okay, so it looks good, man. It looks good. I won't lie, it does look good. And let me tighten this part a little more, but I do need to find a lateral support. Follow my daily vlogs, over there I cover so much. Okay, so let's go. Let's see what this ride turns out to be like. Yeah, both the GoPros are blinking, so I'll go to Chandanagar bypass. Okay, and right now this GoPro, the bike GoPro, this one doesn't have, yeah, the screen just turned off, doesn't have the windshield, this thing, but it's coming. The windshield is coming today, so then I could, let's see. I don't know what the audio of this GoPro is going to be like versus this GoPro, because this has got the windshield but this hasn't got the windshield. But the GoPro is facing towards me, this GoPro is facing away from me. So but the major mic on the GoPros are in the front, the 9 holes. Okay, so let's go. Let's keep the gate open like that. I have seen some people say that that mount your GoPro over here, so then it's going to look better, but I don't think so, because over here I can easily turn my head and show you guys that what I want to show you. But if I paste it like this, then your view is so much restricted, right? So let's go. Lights off, turn the DRL off. We are moto vlogging. Get the bike ready to kickstart. Today, while I was taking the driving class, my phone fell out of my pocket to the car's seat basically. So, but yeah, it's going to be fine over here. But the car seat is like this, so that's why. So yeah, let's go. Oops, let's go. What time is it? Let me quickly check the time. I'll have to go to the gym to 2:42. It's 2:42. So this ride is going to be about 30 minutes long. I mean, I'll try to sum this ride up in 30 minutes. The indicator was on. Who turned the indicator on? Okay, vibrations. Can this mount handle the vibrations? Let's go test it. Yesterday this part was loose, that's why the GoPro's angle was getting changed. Okay, so this time I have tightened this. So let's go. Let's see how many views this video gets. I don't really care. Let's go. Sunglasses on. Sunglasses on. Put the sunglasses on. I become unrecognizable, right, when I put the sunglasses on. Right turn. Oh man, the GoPro's angle already changed. I'll have to find the lateral support, otherwise, yeah. Oh god. I think I should keep talking. Man, it's shaking so much. The GoPro stick is shaking so much. On my left, we have got KMDA, also known as Wonderland Park. car is coming. I feel much safer if I have got my cameras on me. Much safer. Are the sunglasses blocking my audio? I hope not. I don't know. Let's record like this for a while. Man, the quality is just next level. The GoPro 12 quality is just next level. Blinking, blinking. I'll have to take the left turn. Why are they getting their sand wet? That's a good question, eh? I think they were getting their sand wet so that it doesn't fly away. I think that's the reason. I think so. And I know so. Thirty kilometers per hour. It's not true that all bikers love to speed. No, that's not true. It's not true. That's not true. If you wear t-shirts in the summers of India, you are making a big mistake. You need to wear shorts, okay, like cotton, like with buttons, so that air can flow right in through. So that's big field over there. I'll have to take the left, sorry, not left, the right turn. Mirror, check on the mirror. Then I love Chandan Nagar. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening, man? God, what just happened? It just turned off. There's a problem, man. There is a problem with my bike. It happened when I had to wash my bike. After I washed my bike, then this problem happened. Okay. God, man. God. Since I have washed my bike, since then it's happening. God, that person was speeding on the road. Bloody hell. You see, the mirror fell off. Man, somebody's calling me. Hello. Hello. They have disconnected the call. Last time I told him my home's location. Why is he calling me? 1 second. To know more about this, you have to watch my... Oh God, he's calling 1 second. There is a problem. Accept. Hello. Then call phone.
Thanks for calling Amazon Delivery. Your call may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
Getting late over here.
যে নম্বরে আপনি কল করেছেন সেটি বর্তমানে ব্যস্ত আছে।
It's busy right now. I tried to accept the call like this, but it didn't work. It's calling me once again. Hello.
হ্যাঁ দাদা বাড়িতে এসেছি।
হ্যাঁ ওই বাড়ির মেম্বারকে দিয়ে দিন, আমি তো বাইরে আছি।
আচ্ছা আপনার পেমেন্ট ডিউ আছে?
হ্যাঁ ওটা ওই করে দেবে, বাড়ি থেকে করে দেবে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
I told him this before, but he called me once again. Okay, let's go. For a second I thought that I'll have to walk my bike because it was not getting started. The self was not working. I then did the kickstart, then it worked. Should I drive a little faster? I don't know. सामने स्कूल गाड़ी आस्ते चालान means school is ahead. Drive slow. Sri Bansi Dabapan Vidyalaya. I should have my eyes on the road. That's so important. I can't even road is awesome if you want to ride. I mean, if you want to learn to ride your bike or your car, then this road is just awesome. I'm at 45 right now. I don't know how fast it looks, but I'm at 45. It's harder for bikes to race with cars. Laser focused, need to be laser focused. There is a JCB. What is the JCB doing? Oh, water pipeline. I do need to find out a better support for this GoPro. Maybe I need to find out a way to support this stick. We will see. I'll figure something out, man. Son and Emily have got the mounts to support their GoPro properly, but I could not find those types of mounts from online. So I will figure out a way. The problem comes when if the GoPro is getting jerks. Okay, like if I'm riding over a surface which is very rough, I mean, you know what I mean. If I'm riding on a hilly, I don't know, if I'm riding on a bumpy road, then the problem comes. Then the angle of the GoPro can get changed very easily. Right now, not many people. I think I saw the Mirage. Yes. On the over there. Yeah. On the downhill path, I saw the Mirage. Morichika. Do you guys see the Mirage over there? Oh god, some some insect just hit me over there. Oh. Yeah, both the GoPros are recording. Man, He's calling me once again. God, what's wrong with him? I've already told him what to do. The White House. Hello. Hello.
হ্যাঁ পার্সেল দিয়ে গেছে তুই কোথায় ওই ব্যাংক কোথায় ব্যাংক হয়ে ঘুরে আয়
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে.
হ্যাঁ আমাকে যেতে দিলি না ব্যাংক
This time my mother called me, was saying that the guy has provided the parcel. Okay, so Moto wash, that's the place from where I got this bike washed a couple of days ago, probably the day before yesterday, or yesterday, probably the day before yesterday. Okay, let's go. Is this camera too close to my face? Am I too much in the... I don't know if the camera is... Man, if I just hold it like this, then it doesn't shake so much. But I can't do it like that, right? So I need to find out a better support to hold up this camera, GoPro 12. Kutush. What was the name of the building on the left hand side? Generally people get their mobile holder over there, but I have got it over here because I have got the camera holder over there, and I could get the universal mobile holder and get it like this. Okay, but the problem with that is if I am bending down to show you something, I could have hurt myself. So that's why I have got the mobile holder over here instead of here. Okay, so it's a pretty normal bike. It is very fuel efficient, doesn't cause much pollution. It's got the BS6 engine. I'm riding up, if you cannot tell, I'm riding up mango trees on the left, banana trees on the right. A couple of cars I can see are coming, red followed by blue, sorry, blue followed by red. Yeah, blue followed by red. Generally the main thing comes first in English, like blue followed by red, and it looks great, right? Looks great. You see how I am recording? Then one silver card is coming. You can record like this. It's very bright and sunny right now. You can record like this, but the ideal time for me to recording motor vlogs would be the morning time, especially in the summer time. Like we didn't have these barriers before, but nowadays they have placed these barriers. But now they have placed the barriers. I wonder why. Some cars have a white number plate, some cars have green, and some have yellow. So I know green means electric, but why some have white and why do some have yellow? What is the difference between yellow and white? That's my question. Where is the number plate? I didn't see the number plate of the car. Did you guys see the number plate of the car? I sometimes you have to be very careful about your cameras if you are motovlogging like this. I mean, it's okay. It's okay if you are riding your bike like this and your cameras are just next to you, then there are less chances of getting the camera stolen, but still you have to be very careful. So yeah, let's go almost there. I think I'll be able to wrap this video up within an hour. Mankundu, if I go straight ahead, then there is Mankundu, but if I take the U-turn and go backwards, then there is Chuchura. At first I didn't know that Chuchura is also called Chinchura, but yeah, it's basically the same thing, Chinchura and Chuchura. So, oh god, somebody is peeing. Did you guys see that peeing person? Consider some riding gear, but yesterday I was watching, I was looking it up, the riding gear, the proper riding gear for me. It looked expensive. Almost there. Should I don't know. Nah, I should not do that. I was thinking of taking my phone out. Yeah, I should do it. Taking my phone out and recording a clip, me recording like this. Okay, let's try to do it. 2+3. Look guys. Both cameras are set up and recording. God. To go straight, then the right turn, and I'm at my house. They have planted water pipes. Okay, so that's why they have dug up that road. If you don't understand what I am saying properly, that doesn't mean you cannot watch my videos. That means you can learn English from my videos. I mean, that means learning English could be a priority. We'll have to take the right turn. It's harder to notice the indicator at the daytime, so especially in the daytime it's a better idea to show your hand while you are taking the turns. How long? Oh, less than half an hour, so that's good. That is very good. Less than half an hour. But my stopped working, right? That stopped working. My bike stopped working. It happened after I washed my bike, foam washed, 120 rupees. Then just after the wash, I could not start my bike, and today I could not start my bike. That time they used their dryer, then some screwdriver, tightened the screws, then the bike started working again. But this time just the kick starts worked. So let's go guys, let's go. Maybe the parcel is already delivered. Let's go. But if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button.